Hi, I'm CN Ashok, Managing Director of Autoprint Machinery Manufacturers Private Limited, Coimbatore. We produce machines for printing and packaging industry. We have 12,500 installations across 52 nations, 52 countries in the globe. In the last year, 24-25, we exported 50% of the products to developing and developed nations. We started the company in 1992 and we were growing at a CAGR of 60%. And we wanted a solution, as everything we had it on a legacy system, and we made a decision at the board level to go in for an ERP in 2007. The migration took place in 2007 and we were continuing up to 2019. When we re-evaluated of upgrading our ERP solution, we wanted a solution which is cost-effective, user-friendly, and as well integrating all the solutions in one, namely the CRM, production planning and control, inventory, finance, and statutory obligations. In 2019, that is pre-COVID, we started looking in the market for an upgrade to the ERP solution. The Odoo gave all solutions in one platform, which excited us to go in for Odoo, and then eventually we migrated in 2021. The competition in the market has become very strong, and to win competition, we need real-time data with quality. After implementation of Odoo, we could get good quality real-time data where it helped me to make some very effective decisions like improving the margins on sale or reducing the inventory, days sale to inventory control. When we look at marketing, we are able to effectively use Odoo where marketing has a lot of attrition periodically. The data was stored in the CRM very well, and eventually whenever there is an attrition in the field, we are very happy that Odoo could help us because all the information is available real time. So because of which we are able to improve the sale much better. We have a disciplined system where we generate the profit and loss account on the 8th of every month. I am happy to inform you that Odoo has been very supportive, where we get a good quality profit and loss account on the 8th. We have 10,000 parts and it goes into 14 different models. When the forecast is made for producing for the month, we are able to see all the reports in one go, so that effective monitoring starting from the RFQ, converting into purchase orders and getting it from vendor and including quality, we are able to monitor from one system. When we went in for the branded ERP solution in 2007, the time of implementation was 18 months. Whereas we migrated to Odoo in 2021, where the migration plan was implemented effectively in 4 months. This was possible because of Odoo implementers of Coimbatore. The experience overall has been excellent, where the professionalism exhibited by them helped us to migrate quickly without any gaps post-implementation. If I have to sum up our experience in terms of implementing Odoo, and the reason we went ahead with Odoo was user-friendliness and cost-effectiveness.